What I'm going to show you is two ways to understand participation on a footprint. One in a broader sense and another looking at a very specific price. So let's start off with the broader sense. And I'm going to break both of these concepts down in much, much more detail 26th of November. Click on the link below, free webinar will be then, come and join. So with the first idea of participation over a broader area, what we want to be looking at then is the building up of the sort of depth of color. That's the simplest way to think about it. And particularly in a quick market, you need to think about it like that. We've got a footprint. I've also got an S&P ladder on the right. It's vital that when you're looking at footprint, you have a ladder as well. This gives you the whole picture of what's going on. Now, for anyone new to footprint, what footprint shows you very, very simply is the green on the right is people buying at market. So people taking the action to buy and pay the current available best price. On the left is red. That is people selling at market. So people taking the action to sell. So what you then see when you get this building up of depth of color is this evenness of buying and selling. You see that there around 62. And then what we start to see is it forming over a number of prices. And as this is happening, what it's basically telling you is people are happy to participate both buying and selling in this area. Now, people are happy to participate in both directions. Someone's going to be wrong at some point. And this then can be your trigger for the next bit of directional movement. So what we're seeing here is this building up of depth of color. We've got this sort of market that is steadily building and building and building, particularly between about 68 and 62. So now you can plan. Now you can plan that a break of 62 is going to flush out anyone buying in that zone, and a break above 68 is going to flush out anyone selling. So this gives you that sense of participation. This allows you to define where you want to get into a trade, and you can ready yourself for this. It's particularly useful in very, very quick markets. You're seeing now that breakdown. Now, all of this has happened within about 30 seconds. So if you're looking at a chart, you're not really seeing anything. You're seeing one candlestick. The footprint defines that range for you, but also shows that build up of participation, which effectively is the energy for the market to move. So that's the first way to understand participation. The second way is to be very specific about it. Let's go have a look at that. Now, what we're looking for here then is absorption. And using that combination of price ladder and footprint is really, really useful because it allows you to see the absorption happening on the price ladder. You see that sort of stickiness on the ladder, but then you see the numbers behind it on the footprint. So if we go and have a little look now, we've just pushed down. And now you see that when we trade at 24, not 74, 24, on the footprint, you've got those two big green blocks. Those two big green blocks are where people have been buying and they cannot get the market to go any higher. So they've been absorbed. This is useful because this shows you precisely where the participation is. If we move above there, it's time to move higher. This is how you can place a stop. If we stay below, we can then continue onwards towards the downside. So as you see it happening, you see that constant or hitting at 24, 24, 24. And this is then the point where you can then think, okay, I've got two choices here. If I'm already short, I'm protected. I can place my stop above it. And if I'm wanting to be short, I can also sell below it and use that as the reason for the continuation. I'll be breaking down when to use a strategy like this, whether you use it purely as a stop or whether you should be using it to execute an entry on the 26th. So I'll be breaking down not just the using this purely for an entry, but the why and the when you do it. So 26th of November, click on the link, come join, and I'll see you there.